Lucy. Yeah, no karaoke. Now grandstand God spooky.
Yeah, man, blessed love, man. Honors and manners, you know. Give thanks for the rising, blessed morning. Thursday, what we say? More life and blessings. Life is the greatest. Big up my viewers and my subscribers and my fans. Manners and respect that. Saying, yes, my viewers and subscribers. So what do we say? War is in the area, the war start. Yeah, killer. I miss a Vegas. I don't want to say real gas, you know. I want to say the things on fear. You see me? Well, come like one, the boy just start and come like the war out for done already. Viewers and subscribers, Bunty do a song. I don't know, Vegas do a song. But I don't know if I play a film song on the platform in the car. I don't see the motive already, you see me? I don't want to run the risk. And then I strike my channel again like the last time, so. Anyway, I love myself. This fear in love and war, you know? Yeah, man, big up Mr. Vegas here. I want to see the clash. I do two artists with substance, you know? I want to see the clash, but don't you think killer Vegas can match up to Bunty? Remember say Bunty a war artist, you know, killer, you know? Viewers and subscribers, you see, DJ Kenny, big up yourself. You see me? Yeah, man. DJ Kenny, you're the baddest set of mix them. It's not many, you know what I mean? Yes, man, can do the baddest set of mix them like DJ Kenny, you see me? Yes, man. Some viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, so I've shown some little clippings and things, and why me I tell a story, Bunty go hard. And so I go them look a nursery rhyme, not the nursery crime. Here we go, have viewers and subscribers. We go there, said, big up on yourself. I don't know a lion foot, you know. I would say big up everybody, said, peace and love. Yeah, man, check out my single, even I give me bun. I run up some views, pan it and comments, man. I want to know. You know, some of the artists to talent with talent. And I love the foolishness, you know. I notice sometimes I put the derogative stuff them on the platform and the controversial stuff them, the views them rock on, but we deliver the message righteousness and consciousness. Views them a creep, a crawl. Oh, I'm telling you. Yeah, man. I love seeing you, see it? Big up on yourself. Alright, let's go into the review right now, my viewers and subscribers. Zine, I don't know. You tell me if I should review Mr. Vegas track. More I see the clash still, you know. More Mr. Vegas and Killer clash. More I see it. But tell me, my fans, you tell me if I should chance it again. You see me? Let me know, yeah? Peace and love and respect. Alright, let's get into it now.
No way, not too far, we don't feed them, me pull up anyway. Travel with the rifle, find the seat and not the heavy. Cut the bread to wash out, a beer cocky gas, stuck in the shower. Me somebody wanna know you make you run.
No, sir, this a chop hard. They must a killer war artist, you know. I don't know if Vegas. Well, I not doubt Vegas still, you see me? Yes, you see it, but we know say right now, that's why I want to see that battle if you see what I turn out. Bunty Killer said, no way not too far, we go for them anyway. Pull up with the rifle, strap up on the seat, you know what I mean? Clap it on him. You see it, the man said, Batty, but go wash your mouth, be a cocky stuff up in there. She bad, I miss you bad. The man a foreign make you running away. Says the Bunty still a Peter and a stigma and he nah left it. Yo, the man said, real gas.
Every day I get up and post me. Like you love money, they score me. Transfer in your brain like cool. Me yes, I man take your heart and score me. Tear gas, it's up in your face from the killers. All your man don't catch out when I leave. They run down a foreign and a shop for me.
Nah, like the killer go, you know the killer redeem them this thing, you know. The man say every day you cuss me, they put my name like Story or something like. Boy, the clarity not that clear, but it's a chop, sir. I know the thing my viewers and subscribers, I think Mr. Vegas is running a risk. The man said the boy dead long time and I try to look way back. A killer him want to get eye off. Because we say the clash it done good for dancehall, but some of the fans them say no, Killer, I tell Killer for low him, you see me? But let me know my viewers and subscribers. Killer for just wipe him out or Vegas wipe out Killer. You know me that bet pan Killer still because Killer a war artist. We don't know Vegas as no war artist. We know him as a singer. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yo, the one say, yo, you know what I mean? Boop, boop, boop. And I walk me like boop, boop, boop. You see me? You know what I mean? Yalla poop, poop. Mr. Vegas, how you gonna do, sir? Why is that? You go, why the answers wake up, sir? I know a killer that itch, you know. Yo, who wants to see that clash of viewers and subscribers?
My one a black karaoke, no jokey. Got grandstand, God spooky.
The intro alone come like it jerk up Mr. Vegas. Cause the man say, yo, when I go them nursery rhyme, when they do nursery crime. Pussy! Yeah, the man pussy powerful. My one a jokey. Where I go, I think a karaoke thing. Got grandstand, God spooky. Viewers and subscribers, but I know what the thing still. I don't know, big up Mr. Vegas, big up Bounty. You know what I mean? I want to see the clash. But I see some of the fans them say, yeah man, the fans them say Mr. Vegas are looking forward for killer. But I don't really think so still. This, I want to see the clash. Me personally want to see it because it's good for dancehall, you know. If the young artists them can do it, better when them they can do it. And just know that the warrior really serious work. Killer and Vegas could have never be friend. You see me? Yeah, so I know it's a real warrior going, is it? But yeah man, big up all of the Vegas fans them and all of the Alliance fans them, Killer fans them. You see me? Yeah man, all music is life. You see me? Music is love. Don't take it personal. You see me? I know Bounty. Hard Panasang still. You see me? But let me know if you think I should take the chance and review Mr. Vegas song. I don't want to take the chance again. Once spitting twice shy, but I don't know. I love to say clean out above all things. Then viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Let me know if you want to see the clash or killer if you just love it. You see me? Because there's mixed feelings, mixed emotions out there. You see me? I say, yeah, man. I don't know how I'm putting with another vlog, you know. Big up on yourself. All the love and blessings. You see it? Yes, man. DJ Kenny, big up yourself. Yes. Who can make bad mix like DJ Kenny? None at all. Not even that many. Yes, man. Thank you all for your continuous support. I don't know. Don't forget to like and share the content. Without you, guys, the channel is not possible. The channel is irrelevant. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, that me I say, man, peace and love and blessings. Big up all the lovers of dancehall, reggae. Make we live in love and share the food, share the joy, share the moment. You see it? Yes, man, we want peace and love on the street. You see me, I say, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen. I man, one love and blessings, man. One God, one name. You see it? Yes, man. Don't sell out your brother for reach to the top. Two on the full join forces and pull together. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. That's the thing there. So don't forget to like and big up on yourself and I don't know, share this vlog to someone else, make them hear go on. And if you don't agree with me, let me know in the comment section. See? I'm out. Me gone.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.